and here is Androidiya game. Today's video will be disappointed for somehow because of those who are in rush to have a lot of money from Google AdSense. This video will be disappointed. I just got ready the site urbicnotes.com. It is ready and this is the site. I have good viewers here and I have ads which are running already. Here is the ads and here are the ads, sorry. So I have page views and the performance is good, 4,000 page views, and I have clicks, and they paid me only 17 cents within 7 days, and this month I took only 13 cents. And if I configure, I just configure the last 7 days and 28 days, apply, so I have only 31 cents, and last 7 days is 17 cents. And I have already from ad unit, from footer fixed ad, I have 21 cents that doesn't come to my dashboard yet, and I have another 10 cents. If I go to reports and I see my estimated earnings from urbicnotes.com, my site, so I can see that I have page per mile $0.75, and here $70 cents here, but it doesn't appear in my dashboard. That means for those who are expecting that they will have a lot of money from a blog or from a WordPress site, no guys, you have to work hard, work a lot to have that much money. From the beginning, no one or nobody, no site gonna pay you that much. It is just something like you have to be patient till you have that much money that you expect. Keep working, hard work, and I just post a lot of photos, a lot of pages here, and I have another WordPress site which named redgold.com, and this site isn't ready yet. I just show you guys. This is the site. Wait a bit, I'm gonna make you wait. I'm gonna open it here. This is the site redgold.com. Wait, this is my site that isn't got ready from Google AdSense, and I'm working on it. And let's see how much Google AdSense will pay me for this site, because that site urbicnotes.com I took over 5-6 months, and I'm working this site in. And if you want to have a good amount from a site, you have to work in 6 months. Is not enough to have more than $10. No, you have to work more and wait for AdSense to pay you. This is the information that I'd like to share with you guys. If you have your own experience, please comment below and let me see how much of you are disappointed like me. Thanks for watching.